So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-back length hair. And bam, she switches it up with this gorgeous bob haircut. Love her outfit, her makeup, the haircut. She looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Next up, we have someone who is going to be getting a bob hairstyle. So she starts off with like really long mid-back length hair. Looks like she's doing a nice blunt cut, ending just below the jawline. And then she did add a slight wave to it to create some texture. Very nicely done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have another big chop here. Looks like she's also going to be getting a bob. Now the video clip did say something about her being stressed, so maybe she's looking for more of like a low maintenance, carefree style. Oh, looks like the stylist is actually doing a pixie. And this is definitely something that's more carefree and simple. And it has that 90s classic shape and feel to it. So then we see a bob haircut. Looks like the stylist did put in some bottleneck bangs. Followed by another beautiful pixie haircut. Wow. This is absolutely breathtaking. Love the choppy texture with this, and the color just really enhances the cut. And then we see someone who is going to be cutting off their curly natural hair. She grabs the color after doing the cut. Oh, beautiful, bright blonde. Gorgeous hair change. I love it. And then we see someone with salt and pepper hair. Looks like the stylist is doing a nice bob haircut for this one. I love the amount of volume and fullness that this has. She does have sweet bangs going in the front. Very nicely done. And then we have our last hair transformation of the day. So it looks like she got some curtain bangs, some layers, and a surprise undercut. Very nice. So I hope that you guys did enjoy all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.